8 go-to resources about artificial intelligence, in detail. Number 1. OpenAI. OpenAI is an AI research organization dedicated to creating safe and beneficial AI. They offer a wealth of resources on their website, including articles, research papers, and their GPT language models. Number 2. AI Weekly. AI Weekly is a newsletter that provides readers with the latest news and insights on artificial intelligence. It covers a wide range of topics, including deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and more. Number 3. AI Ethics Lab. AI Ethics Lab is a nonprofit organization that provides resources and education on the ethical implications of artificial intelligence. Their website includes a variety of resources, such as case studies, toolkits, and online courses. Number 4. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open-source platform for building and deploying machine learning models. It offers a variety of resources for developers, including documentation, tutorials, and a community forum. Number 5. MIT Technology Review. MIT Technology Review is a magazine that covers emerging technologies, including artificial intelligence. Their website offers a range of articles, podcasts, and videos on AI-related topics, such as the future of work, the ethics of AI, and the latest breakthroughs in AI research. Number 6. Kaggle. Kaggle is a platform for data scientists and machine learning engineers to compete in data science challenges and build machine learning models. It offers a range of resources for beginners and experts alike, including datasets, tutorials, and a community forum. Number 7. Fast.ai. Fast.ai is a nonprofit organization dedicated to making deep learning more accessible. They offer a range of resources, including courses, tutorials, and a community forum, to help people learn about deep learning and build their own machine learning models. Number 8. AI4ALL. AI4ALL is a nonprofit organization that aims to increase diversity and inclusion in AI. They offer a range of resources, such as summer camps, workshops, and online courses, to help underrepresented groups learn about AI and pursue careers in the field.